Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. Today I am going to speak about the Mars in Aries. My subject is medical science and astrology. Then, how will the long sojourn Mars in Aries affect you? From August 17th, Mars is in Aries till November. Then it retrogrades to goes to Mean Rashi. The Mars enters into its own Rashi. That is the Mesha Rashi. Now it is in the Mesha Rashi from August 17th, 2020 and remains there till November, and it goes to Mean Rashi. During that period, Saturn will be in the Magar Rashi, that aspects to Mars, and Saturn also retrogrades. Now the Jupiter, who is in the Dhanush Rashi, and Jupiter also retrogrades. Till then again Jupiter will go to Magar Rashi and again go to Kumbha Rashi. Three Rashis will go. This period is known as Vasundhara Yoga, and that is very harm to the people. The Rahu and Ketu will be then Rahu is in the Gemini and Ketu is in the Sagittarius. Mars retrogrades in November. Then Mars in Aries becomes quite powerful, while aspecting Saturn throws his weight behind Mars to do immense harm. Jupiter is a divine planet. It protects the people, but now it is retrograde. The Mars rules activity, energy, enterprises, emotion, impulses, war, crucial force, bloodshed, etc. Then the November onwards, the Mars will enter into the Pisces Rashi, that is Mean Rashi. From that period will be very harmful to the public, especially the terrorist problems and fire problems and anxiety. And during that period, the election in Kerala will be held, that municipal corporation election will be there. The activities to be avoided: buying land or house, arranging nuptials, laying a foundation stone, entering into a new house, buying vehicles, driving a vehicle for the first time as a driver, starting a new business venture, entering into a partnership, filing a lawsuit, formation of government, cabinet and affairs, etc. In central cabinet also change the positions of the ministers will be changed. Then the effects of the retrograde Mars, that is from November. Cases of rape, murders, shooting, etc. will register a steep rise. Terrible accidents, hijackings, abundance and extremist violence will frequently make news. Explosion, fire in buildings, oil wells, pipes, etc. The problems will be the North India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, then Middle East, some African countries will face the drought, natural calamities during this period, the disaster, and that also kills the people. The explosions, fire, almost all places fire will be, and accidents also will be there. Aspects and results, mutual aspects between Mars and that now the aspects of Saturn, that also very bad. The undermining of democracy and constitutional provisions, dictatorship in some countries of the world, mutual aspects between Mars and the it is economic problems, death of some lawyers, judges, priests, some artists also will die. Famous 2 artists in India will die. However, the aspects of Mars will check the latitude from extremes at totally discussed. Now the Mars get the aspects of Jupiter. That prevents a certain percentage of damages or the terrorist problem. The impact of Mars on world events. India extremist violence will increase. Some issues will be in Ayodhya and nearby the UP. The terrorist problems will be raised. After November the problem will be raised. Border problems, the India-Pakistan problem, not war but fear of war. India-China also fear of war, not war, but something will be happened. In Israel and Iran also some problems. Pakistan, there is a likelihood of a military coup which may pave the way for the excess of general, the ruler of Pakistan will change or something happens. In Bangladesh also some problems. The Nepal, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, the country may slip into lawlessness. Pakistan also, in Nepal the bloody showdown between the Maoists and the royal and the people of Nepal. Israel, the government may face some problems, will mar the existing fragile peace, and Saudi Arabia, some also problems. Libya and Turkey also facing problems. Some European countries have to face some natural calamities and disaster. In the countries like Indonesia, Philippines, and some places of North India, some states of North India has to face the natural calamities. In Karnataka, Maharashtra, Assam, Orissa has to face flood or cyclone something. And in America also face the cyclone. China, major fire in buildings and floods. Disaster will kill a large number of people. internal peace will be seriously disturbed due to crime and murders. In Myanmar also the democratic agitation and some problems will be there. Southeast Asia, a viral infection affecting brain and throat and may swap. So the persons who born in the Taurus Lagna and Vrishchik Lagna has to face a lot of problems. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subject.